So I'm very very excited to be sharing this single with you. बहुत स्पेशल गाना है मेरे लिए. I think ये एक ऐसा गाना है जिसको शायद सुनने की वजह से मैं musician बनना चाहती थी. It's the reason why I wanted to start singing. So it just seemed appropriate that my first solo single should be a song. Actually, we had a couple of options of which songs it should be. And जब मैंने इस गाने का EDM version सुना, जब produce होकर आया, I just knew that there couldn't be any other song. So I'm really happy कि आप लोग यहाँ आए हैं to share this with me. It's always been very special to me कि मैं अपने गाने, अपना music इंडिया में जितना भी celebrate कर सकूँ, अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करती हूँ. And thank you so much for being here to support me. So for all the ladies out there who think that once the relationship is over, it's over. It ain't over till the fat lady sings. Plan was, yes, I wanted to wait for 2 or 3 singles to come out before I start doing live shows. And now that I have 3 or 4 singles, yeah, the plan is to do a few live shows. Not on this album, not that we have done yet, but we have collaborated with the Chainsmokers, as you know.
Yes.
That's a song that I did on their album called Erase. And actually, we do have a few DJs on the album, but it's not something I can talk about right now. But it's not going to be Tiesto. The plan is to do that in my next few films, maybe some special songs, or I think, if you can sing, why not? And I want to be able to sing in Hindi as well. My album is in English, but yes, I do intend on singing in my film soon. Who I think of competition, I don't know, but the way I look at my life is I've always tried to, as a human being, push myself. कभी-कभी गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं, कभी गलत फिल्में हो जाएंगी, शायद मेरे गाने अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे, हो सकता है लग भी जाएं. So I like to take the chance of that maybe if I'm pushing the envelope and I'm trying to do something different, I may be wrong at it, but at least I tried. So I don't know who I consider competition. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing next. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था I was going to be a musician. So that's why for me, I think it's just as an individual, and I think everybody should feel that way कि you just want to grow. क्या होगा? Maximum you'll fail. कुछ और कर लेंगे. Album मेरा पूरा ready है. तो हम लोग decide कर रहे थे कि which song should we go. I wanted the third song to be a solo single. I didn't want it to be a collaboration क्योंकि पहले 2 हमने विलायम और पिटबुल के साथ already किए हैं. So I thought that when I heard all the songs in the album, there are some really wonderful songs. But this is a song that really started me off as a singer. I remember singing this song very much when I was a kid. I remember, relating with it. You know how for every girl in the world, I Will Survive is one of those songs that we all sing when we're in trouble. So Heartache, this song was the one that I used to listen to. So when we decided to make a dance version of it, I was very sure that I wanted to hear it first to see if it does justice to such a classic. According to me, this is a really great mix of the song. It's a really great version of the song, which is why I thought it was sensible to do as my first single. I mean, solo single. I think it's my voice, and it really depends on how people treat it. I think in once the song is mastered and rendered, these are all club songs. They're all dancing tracks. Maybe when I do a ballad, then you'll say कि अच्छा इसमें तो आपकी आवाज़ एकदम अलग लग रही है because I have a husky tone, but I just sang it in front of you.